Oh, it's Charlie.
Babaruru International Park.
Oh, it's Charlie. And all my fans in Zimbabwe, I will be there at Banditi Festival this Saturday, right at City Sports Center. Big up Sekalas and big up the whole of Zimbabwe. Make sure you forward out this Saturday. Get your tickets. Yes, not stupidness. We did the unstoppable. Come out in the tens and the thousands. Hear that? Me not afraid of no boy. Me can defend my own. I got alone. Zimbabwe afraid of hard. That's why me firm like bandits. Them can't get me out. They can't tell you okay. Kumasure atikate uke. And right to the uke. I feel the belly bambe. Ati jaja ni makafa, kami ati jaja bukune makafa. Ondo andina kumbovira ndailafa, dova na gachi ndakasefa. Alolenga ndikari, zikubanyengera ndikari. Mozenji mtimbari, nasululeka ndistaure. Yeah, see me I say, yeah man, I am blood, yeah man, the youngest about is ever the king of Zim dancing. Yeah man, endorsing 2 May. Yeah man, live to City Sports Center. Yeah man, Baba Gomba will be there performing live. So make it a date. Don't miss. If you miss, a miss is a this. Yeah man, Sekalas Charlie Black will be there performing live. Then the Chimandrola Bunketi Gomba. So make it a date. Don't miss. If you miss, a miss is a this. Kiri, the youngest about Bano.
Babaruru International Park. So that we sing at City Sports Center. Kune sini garamkoma. Yeman one Tawanda, one colors, one boss yala. Yeman tukuti chiko. Anzi ko techi faraka futi tinish baba chedu. Anzi ndiani ko Charlie Black. Sangane pasi tingo mamswa 2 May amana telefriend. Saturday. Jipera inini riuli bondendri po wanchi burare genjit dova wadiba. Undi zamgwa ati vawa fika. So don't miss. If you miss, it's a bomb like this. Yeman.